Hello and welcome to today's finance news update. In this video, we'll be covering some of the top headlines in the world of finance. JP Morgan to buy most of First Republic. Our first headline comes from The Guardian, which reports that Wall Street stalwart JP Morgan is set to buy most of First Republic. The deal, brokered by federal regulators, will see JP Morgan buy all deposits and substantially all assets of the failed bank. This is a significant development in the world of finance and banking. First Republic was a major player in the industry and its collapse has been closely watched by analysts and investors. The fact that JP Morgan is stepping in to buy most of its assets is a sign of confidence in the banking system. But what led to the collapse of First Republic in the first place? And what does this acquisition mean for JP Morgan and the banking industry as a whole? These are important questions that we'll be exploring in this video. Headline 2, U.S. Treasury encouraged by First Republic resolution. In related news, Reuters reports that the U.S. Treasury Department is encouraged by the resolution of First Republic Bank. A spokesperson for the department said that the bank was resolved with the least cost to the Deposit Insurance Fund and that the U.S. banking system remains sound and resilient. This statement from the Treasury Department is an important signal to investors and the public at large. It shows that despite the failure of First Republic, the U.S. banking system remains strong and able to weather such events. But what does this mean for other banks and financial institutions? And how does this resolution impact the broader economy? We'll be taking a closer look at these questions as well. World Bank set to launch more robust business climate rankings. Our final headline for today comes from Reuters, which reports that the World Bank is set to launch more robust and transparent business climate rankings. These rankings are an important tool for businesses and investors looking to make decisions about where to invest or expand. By making them more robust and transparent, the World Bank is helping to provide more accurate and reliable information to those who need it. But what goes into these rankings? And how do they impact businesses and economies around the world? We'll be diving into these questions and more in this video. That's all for today's finance news update. Thank you for watching and be sure to tune in next time for more top headlines in the world of finance.